Amid increasingly unpredictable weather, Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi says the government has taken proactive steps to strengthen preparedness and early warning systems to mitigate the risk of a second wave of floods. As National Disaster Management Committee Chairman, he said early evacuation remains the top priority, particularly for communities in high-risk areas.
Kita tidak dapat menjangkakan, tetapi gelombang ini akan berlaku di pantai timur, dan ianya merupakan gelombang yang kedua. Dia akan merebak bukan sahaja di pantai timur Kelantan Terengganu, tetapi juga ke Pahang serta melebar hingga ke Johor. Begitu juga di Sarawak.
Zahid stressed that effective preparedness and timely warnings are essential to enable early evacuations, prevent loss of life, safeguard important documents, and ensure residents are ready to be moved to temporary evacuation centers.